Hey guys, so somebody on my daughter's channel asked me how did I discover my breast lump, and I've actually been asked this question a few times, so I decided let me do a quick video. So here I am. If I'm directly looking in the mirror, okay, and my hands are down like this, I didn't notice anything, all right? I raised my hand up, whether you want to bend it, straight, put it out, just raise your hand up, and it doesn't matter which hand, okay? I'm small breasted, so I don't know if it's the same method for people who are heavier. I'm gonna go in 4 different directions right now. So from underneath my arm, I kind of press down and pull over to roughly where my nipples are, okay? Then I'm gonna do from the top and come down. Same thing, you're pressing to where your nipples are. From the center, you're gonna come across, press down to where your nipples are. And then you do the same thing from the bottom, coming up towards where your nipples are. And that's how I did my self-check on both sides. When I pulled it over like this, I was like, what is that? Is that a bump? And then I came over here to check, and this was fine. And so I came back over here, and then I would feel it. And I'm just like, that's not normal. I just want people to know that it doesn't necessarily have to be a lump. Some people find their breast cancer before a lump even is there. It's because of the feeling that you get. I had a feeling prior to this and I ignored it. I thought that it's Mother Nature, it's the time of the month, I'm getting older, my body's changing. I made so much excuses. But the feeling that I was feeling is a feeling that I've never felt before. It was like there was a needle in my breast and it was trying to stick out from the inside, coming out, like poke me. And I literally was like, oh, my breast. And I didn't even remember that when I was diagnosed, but my sister reminded me, do you remember when you were in pain? And then I was like, yeah. My message to young ladies out there is if you feel any discomfort at any age and you have a feeling, run to the doctor. Now that I've been diagnosed with this and I'm doing some research and I'm seeing other people's stories, there's women that are in their 20s being diagnosed with breast cancer. A lump doesn't mean cancer. It also can be a benign. 80% is usually a benign. Unfortunately for me, it was not a benign. I've never got a mammogram. This is my first mammogram ever. So I hope that helps somebody.